Hi, I'm Mark Green, and as part of our kitchen renovation, I'm going to be painting all of these cabinet doors. But first, I'm going to get some help from an expert. Okay, Jay, so I want to paint these cabinets.
Yep, sweet.
How should I go about that and what product should I use?
So relatively straightforward. You just need to give it a good clean to get started. You'll need to use Resene Interior Paintwork Cleaner. You can get this from your local Resene colour shop. It comes in a pre-mixed spray bottle that you can just spray on and just clean all the marks off. Then it's going to need a light sand with the wet and dry sandpaper. Then for the primer, you apply Resene Waterborne Sureseal. Just go light over it. You're not trying to achieve coverage and block out this colour. It's just an adhesion primer so the new paint system's got something to stick to. Once that's dry, you can apply Resene Quick Dry Primer Undercoat. Again, that's just going to uniform everything and stop any of this potential cabinetry colour bleeding through into the top coats, especially if you go in a lighter top coat on the doors. And then the top coat would be Resene Luster Acrylic Kitchen and Bathroom. It's got added mold defender, which is good for an area like a kitchen.
Okay, Jay, so what about the way to paint it? Like, do I use a roller?
Yep.
And if so, like, what roller should I use?
For the Resene Luster Acrylic on the top coat, it's a number 4 roller. You're taking the handles off when you're wanting to do it here. So take the doors off, up somewhere.
When you're doing the rolling, do you go like one way and then go the other way? Is that a thing? I've seen YouTube videos where they're like, you've got to go that way and then you've got to go that way. Like, do I need to do that, or what's the best technique?
So for rolling a door like this, I'd probably start at the top and work to halfway. So load up the roller.
Yeah.
In a sort of W or M pattern, come down to about halfway and then fill in the middle.
Yeah.
Or reload the roller and then do the bottom half. And then you want to lay off in one direction so that you get a nice uniform finish.
Yeah.
Also with Luster Acrylic, like as it dries, it might be a bit patchy. Resist the urge to go back and try and touch up those bits. Just put the paint on, let it do its thing, and then come back and do the next coat.
I'm so stoked with the outcome of these cupboards and drawers. We wanted to add a little bit of colour and character to this kitchen, and Resene Green Spring, I think, has done just that. The whole process was far more straightforward than I thought it was going to be, and it was really satisfying.